Hi, I am Andy Borders. I am the service manager at Tim Dahle NISSAN Southtowne service. Hi, this is Andy Borders, and I'm here to talk to you about the virus that is going on in our society, the coronavirus, the extreme safety measures that we are going to take when you bring your car in to service your vehicle. We are sanitizing our service department every 3 hours. The advisors are sanitizing their stations, their phones, their chairs, their desks. When you pull into the service drive here, if you decide to come in, we have a product that we are using that is a bioenzyme to clean down every car as they come in and as they leave. We'll disinfect your entire car every time. It is a brand new towel every time, and then when you leave, we'll disinfect it again. Also, all my technicians are using gloves. My advisors are using gloves at the same time. So when you bring your car in, we will disinfect the entire car. That includes the exterior door handles that you touch, the interior door panels that you touch, the steering wheel, turn signal, wipers, the gear shifter, the emergency brake, the cup holder area, and your key before and after we finish working on your car. We are closing our soda machine, our popcorn machine, and our coffee machine. Just as a precautionary, we are using Lysol wipes. Every 3 hours, we have soap at the sink. We are disinfecting the entire waiting room, including the chairs, the tables. We still offer vending machine services for you, and they are wiped down as well with Lysol wipes every 3 hours. We have done everything we can to make sure that you are protected. We also have a cleaning company that is coming in twice a day to completely disinfect each bathroom thoroughly and every door handle in the dealership with a disinfectant, because that is our #1 goal here, is for you to come here and feel safe and still be able to get your car serviced. We appreciate your business in our service and parts department. We are making every precaution so that you can continue your life as normal as possible. Nobody knows when this epidemic is going to end, that in the meantime, you are safe coming to our dealership. We really appreciate your business and your business for years to come. But that being said, if you have any questions or any concerns, please feel free to call me and I will talk to you personally about any of those issues. Thank you.
Tim Dahle NISSAN Southtowne. Let's take care of one another.